you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, nieces and nephews, I have braved the snow, and it is Food Pantry Day. Now we're going to take a look at what I've got, but first, let's take a look at what some of our nieces and nephews out there sent us that they made from the food pantry. Look at what Miss Darlene sent us. She took that Alaskan pollock, put seasoning on top, baked it with also lemon. Oh, I bet that was so delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Then Miss Corey sent us this delicious looking lentil soup. So righteous for those cold winter nights. That'll hit the spot. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Let's see what we got. We're going to start from the left to the right. And yes, I washed my dishes. All right. Check this out. We got some pasta. 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. And of course, they gave me another bag of pasta, some more elbow macaroni. I'm going to make pasta city, I'm telling you. And then I got some long grain rice, some split pea, what is this? Yellow split peas, yes. I got 2 bags of those. I think they're the same thing. Yeah. We got some almonds. Gonna give those to Miss Brenda. Then we got this. I got this again. I've always given this away. I've never tried this. You just add the meat to it, and you got a pasta dish here. It says basil tomato pasta. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna try it. I might try this. See if Jay likes it. Then last but not least, I got some oatmeal. I usually give this to Miss Brenda because she makes such wonderful oatmeal cookies, and I love them. Then we got some jelly. No peanut butter this time. They were out. I have some mixed vegetables. Put those in my soup. I've got some black beans. You can put these in soups, but you know what I like to put them on? A salad. Oh, yes. You'll see why in just a minute. Then we got, it was messed up label day on the cans. We got some salmon. That's what this is. I know I've seen this label a million times. Yep. Alaskan salmon. The rest of the label's missing. Then I got 2 cans of cut green beans. The label just came off that one. Then we got some mixed fruit. 2 cans of that. And the good old can o' beef. You can make sliders out of these. You can make casseroles out of these. You can also make a meat spread out of this. Almost like a liverwurst. And the sodium content is not that bad. Thank goodness. Okay? Thank goodness for the whole can. It's about 1,000 milligrams, but this whole can can feed a whole bunch of people. Yeah. Now we're going to jump over here. I got 6 apples, a bunch of very ripe bananas that I'm probably going to have to either chop up and freeze. Oh, because you can make banana ice cream out of those things. It's so good. It's my mock banana ice cream. It's just frozen bananas basically blended up with a little milk. Yeah. Then I got some raisins. Love these in a salad. Love them in a salad. I'm telling you, you got to try it. Along with the black beans. Oh, so good. Because look, I got some spring mix. I'm probably going to have to eat this today. They had some of that in there. I was so grateful that they had that. Then I got 6 bottles of water. They're frozen, but I'm letting them thaw right now. Purified water. That's good. Then we got some low sodium chilies, no beans. And this is so good because guess what? They gave me some corn mix. So I can make, I forgot what they call it, where you put the corn muffin mix over top of the chili and bake it. And it's so good. What's it? Is it chili pie? I forgot how they call it, but it's really good. Very good. Then we got, look at this, a pack of chuletas. Excuse me, pork chops. Chuletas is pork chops in Spanish. So sorry. Mixed up my languages. Then we got, of course, some tortillas, corn. Yummy, yummy. I could make something with the pork and the tortillas. Oh, yeah. Porco quesado, maybe? I don't know. Then we got some loin pork chops. Then we got a bag of chicken legs. Oh. I am so throwing these into that big soup I'm making. I'm going to make my bean and chicken soup. That is so good and feeds so many people. That's a great survival meal. We're just going to pan and see everything we got. And be very thankful we got it. Such a blessing. Now, as you see, it was an odd haul. I mean, it was cool, but you never know what you're going to get. I especially did not expect that big pack of meat. So, that's a good thing. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to try my best to do the survival grocery haul. I got to get there, okay? I've been a little under the weather, so we're going to see how things go. But I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. And yes, we are going to do some things with those beans. I'm going to show you how to make my bean soup. And write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. I so loved those pictures you sent. That was so cool. Oh, yeah. Okay. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris.